Hi boys and girls. This week your vocabulary assignment looks a little bit different. You're going to use the glossary in the back of our nonfiction book, The Life Cycle of a Butterfly. I think it's called Butterfly Life Cycle actually. And you are going to choose 4 words from the glossary. You're going to use your vocabulary page just as you have been to write the word, write the definition of the word that you find in the glossary, and illustrate a picture that helps you remember the word. Remember, a glossary is like a little mini dictionary in the back of a nonfiction book. So I think you have 6 words to choose from in the glossary. And the glossary is going to go in alphabetical order, so that's the way I'm going to introduce these words to you. The first word is butterfly. We know that butterfly is a compound word. A butterfly is an insect with 4 wings that's often bright in color. Butterfly. I guess you could do a better butterfly this way. So butterfly is our first word. The next word we have is caterpillar. Caterpillar has a lot of syllables. Cat-er-pillar. Caterpillar, 4 syllables. That's the larva of a butterfly or moth. Caterpillar. The larva of a butterfly or moth. The next word I have for you is actually 2 words. Life cycle. This is a very important term to understand for our next 3 units we have coming up. We're going to be talking, this week we're talking about caterpillars and butterflies. Next week we're going to be talking about frogs. And then we also have a unit on chickens. I am so excited. Life cycle. So for life cycle, we're going to do this. The life cycle is the stages of change that an organism goes through during its life. The stages of change that an organism or a living thing goes through. Life cycle. Our next vocabulary word is mate. And a mate is a partner for a living thing. Mate. For mate, we're going to link our fingers together. The mate is a partner for a living thing. The next word we have is pupa. The pupa is an immature or young stage of an insect between the larva stage and the adult stage. So I like to think of pupa as like the teenage years, okay? But for a caterpillar in the butterfly life cycle, the pupa is when they make their chrysalis. So we're gonna make a chrysalis with our hands. Pupa, the stage of the life cycle between larva and adult. Our last vocabulary word is stage. This is not the stage where Justin Bieber or Beyonce are performing on. This stage means a period of time in development or growth for something like an insect. So stage is a noun, a thing that means the place in time during the growth of a living thing. Stage. So the life cycle of a butterfly has 4 stages, okay? The life cycle of a butterfly has 4 stages. The larva stage, which is the caterpillar. Well, first it's the egg. Then we have the larva, which is caterpillar, the pupa, and the butterfly. Okay? All right, boys and girls, so I want you to choose 4 of those words. Go write them, write the definition, and draw a picture that helps you remember. Don't forget to use that glossary.